Okay, you've got to use your left hand to get everything folded up and held in place, and then get that middle finger of your left hand underneath there. Pull it backwards, go backwards. You need to stay in the green. Go in the green.
I am in the green.
No, yeah, but you're coming up. You're coming up way too soon.
Right.
All right. And back into the... So go sideways, not straight down. You can go sideways at an angle.
I can't.
Yeah, go from right to left. There you go. And have that thimble ready to push the end. You do the first part with your thumb and forefinger, and you do the push with the thimble. Okay?
It took me a day to
Okay,
finish.
yeah, it's going to take you 3 days, maybe a week. This is your first time.
I'm not doing an alpha.
Nope. Now use your thumb and forefinger. Get the needle between this finger and this finger. Thumb and forefinger. There you go. There you go. Into the... Okay, wait. Look how far away you are from the binding. You need to come in literally into the green. Hang on. Look where that stitch is. Right into that area. Okay, now just barely get into the green. Go from right to left and then come up, barely catching the fold. That's too much. So go in right where the thread is and then come up. Oops, too much. Yep, perfect. That was perfect. I saw what your middle finger did. That was perfect. Okay, now where the thread is coming out, that's where you go back in. Travel a 1/4 inch or so, just a little ways, into the green. And then come up, just barely catching the fold. Okay, and use your thimble. There you go. Good. And that's just repeat, 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 repeat. Okay, so you finished your first binding. How was it?
Well, likely surprised. I really like doing the binding.
How did you feel about it yesterday?
You know, I think it's like everything. We start and we get frustrated, and then you get
You figure it out?
Yeah, and then...
So show everybody your corners, because that's what they're going to want to look at. So show your corner. Okay,
I think it was not so difficult.
Yeah?
The corner.
Once you figure it out?
I think it's... I was more afraid to have the needle on my fingers than that.
Did
But
you find by the end of this that you had more, were you more comfortable with holding the needle in the thimble?
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think so.
All right. Well, congratulations. Show everybody the quilt because I don't think they saw it. Hold up the quilt. Da-da-da-da-da. And this is for your sister.
Yeah.
It's a Convergence quilt with the moose. And you go design that border so to make it look like a mountain and a sunset, right?
Yep.